In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cam sensor on this BMW 328i. Let's get into it. The cam sensor is located right under here. We're going to use a E8 socket and take this bolt out. Take that bolt out, grab the sensor, you can rock it back and forth a little bit. Slide it down. I'll disconnect the connector. There's a little tab right there. I'm just going to use a pick, get under the tab. Slide the connector off. Take the new sensor, put a O-ring on. You can put a little silicone on the O-ring or O-ring lubricant. I'll connect the connector. Line it up. Push it in place. Get the bolt started. Snug that down. And to do the other cam sensor, the procedure is going to be the same. If you need to, there is a bracket right here. You can use the same E8 socket, take that bracket off, and then you can access that lower cam sensor. That's for the exhaust.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.